All right, so we are going to do the demo of Redneck Angel, and we are doing it first to Something Bad, and then the second one will be to Merry-Go-Round by the Jane Deere Girls. So yeah.
Stand on the box, stomp your feet, start clapping. Got a real good feeling, something bad about to happen. Pulled up to the church, but I got so nervous, had to back it on up, couldn't make it to the service. Grabbed all the cash underneath my mattress, got a real good feeling, something bad about to happen. Ran into a girl in a pretty white dress, rolled down the window, went into it. Said I'm headed to the bar with my money out the mattress, got a real good feeling, something bad about to happen. Stand on the bar, stop your feet, start clapping. I got a real good feeling, something bad about to happen. Drinks keep coming, throw my head back laughing. Wake up in the morning, don't know what happened. Y'all ready for this? I don't think so. Make the merry-go-round. It's about time that we got this party started. Here come the girls, roll out the red carpet. Once we get going, ain't nothing gonna stop it. Giddy up, yeah. Giddy up, yeah. Hey, it's okay. We're gonna show 'em how to rock this place. So don't hesitate. You know that you want to. You know that you want to. Shake that butt, make your backseat wiggle. Bend those skirts to the groove of the fiddle. Step your hips down to the ground. Make your merry-go-round. Make your merry-go-round. Throw your hands up, make your headlight shimmy. Slide to the left, dip to the right with me. Come on, girls, you gotta scream it out loud. Make your merry-go-round. Make your merry-go-round. Make your merry-go-round. Throw that hat, put your boots on the dance floor. I can shake mine, can you shake, shake, shake yours? Get your crazy.
All right, so I hope that you guys enjoyed those two demos and that you guys were able to keep up with it good enough. If not, make sure that you hit that replay button and just keep trying and trying, because your body will get used to those moves as long as you just keep doing it. Let me know in the comments below how you enjoyed that, and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you guys can be updated when I post a new demo or teach. Until next time.